Canada stands as a beacon of opportunity, attracting individuals from around the globe to its vibrant cities and welcoming communities. As we embark on a new year, 2024 ushers in significant changes to Canada's immigration rules, particularly impacting international students and temporary foreign workers. These changes come at a time when Canada faces both opportunities and challenges in the global arena. The country seeks to attract skilled workers to fuel its economy and address labor shortages, while also ensuring the integrity of its immigration system. We will navigate the evolving landscape for international students, exploring adjustments to work hours, study permit caps, post-graduation work permits, and financial requirements. We will then examine the implications for temporary foreign workers, focusing on changes to LMIA validity and workforce composition rules. By outlining these changes, this guide aims to provide readers with a comprehensive understanding of Canada's evolving immigration landscape. For those aspiring to pursue their education in Canada, understanding the new rules is paramount. One significant change pertains to work hours for international students. Previously, students were permitted to work a maximum of 20 hours per week off campus while studying full-time. The new regulations allow students to work beyond this limit when facing labor shortages in specific sectors. Another notable adjustment concerns the issuance of study permits. The government has introduced caps on study permits for certain programs at designated institutions to manage the influx of international students and ensure program quality. Post-graduation work permits, PGWPs, have long been a significant draw for international students. The 2024 updates include changes to the eligibility criteria and duration of PGWPs. Students must now meet stricter requirements to qualify. Financial requirements for international students have also been revised. Students must now demonstrate greater financial capacity to support themselves during their studies in Canada. This includes providing proof of sufficient funds to cover tuition fees, living expenses, and return transportation. The increased financial threshold aims to ensure that students can sustain themselves financially without experiencing undue hardship while pursuing their education. Temporary foreign workers play a crucial role in addressing labor shortages and contributing to the Canadian economy. The 2024 updates to the Temporary Foreign Worker Program, TFWP, prioritize Canadian workers. Employers must now show greater effort to recruit Canadians before applying for an LMIA. The LMIA validity period varies by occupation and labor market conditions. New rules limit the percentage of foreign workers in an employer's workforce. Employers and foreign workers must understand these changes to ensure compliance. Non-compliance can lead to fines, hiring bans, and reputational damage. Staying informed is essential for navigating the TFWP successfully. Canadian citizenship law has undergone amendments in recent years, particularly regarding citizenship by descent. Previously, individuals born outside of Canada to Canadian parents could only pass on their Canadian citizenship to one generation born abroad. This limitation, known as the first generation limit, has now been abolished. This change is significant for Canadians living abroad who wish to preserve their Canadian heritage for future generations. However, it is important to note that certain conditions still apply. To be eligible for citizenship by descent, individuals must meet specific requirements related to residency, language proficiency, and knowledge of Canada. The abolition of the first generation limit reflects Canada's commitment to its citizens abroad and recognizes the importance of family ties. Individuals who were previously ineligible for Canadian citizenship due to the first generation limit may now be eligible to apply. It is advisable to consult with Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, to determine eligibility and initiate the application process. Canada's new immigration rules for 2024 represent a delicate balancing act. The government aims to attract skilled workers and talented individuals to contribute to the Canadian economy and society. At the same time, these changes reflect a commitment to maintaining the integrity of the immigration system and safeguarding the well-being of all residents. The changes to work hours for international students are designed to address labor shortages while ensuring that students prioritize their studies. The adjustments to the TFWP, such as stricter LMIA requirements and workforce composition rules, are intended to prevent exploitation and ensure that Canadian workers have fair access to employment opportunities. By striking a balance between the needs of the labour market and the rights of workers, Canada aims to create a more equitable and sustainable immigration system. The updates to citizenship by descent demonstrate Canada's commitment to its citizens abroad and their families by embracing change, fostering collaboration, and prioritizing the well-being of all residents. Canada can continue to be a beacon of opportunity and a model of successful immigration for years to come.